Here at Simply Garden, with over 50 years of gardening experience, I believe in keeping things simple and productive while gardening in your own backyard. This is a very unique little quick video for you. What I'm doing is I am in the process of treating both my butternut squash. Okay, hopefully you can see this. Here we go, butternut squash, and my acorn squash, which I already have treated. I learned this somewhere a long time ago, is to give it a little treatment of bleach, because what the bleach does, it kills the bacteria. I've already washed these off. Kills the bacteria off the outside of the skin, so that way you're able to have yourself a longer storage of your squashes. My two favorite, butternut and acorn squash. So it's really simple. I've already got some just mild temp water. Doesn't have to be super hot. And I put a little bit of regular water into it, give it a little more water here. Okay, so all I do is grab some bleach here. Just regular Clorox bleach, whatever bleach you have. You're not eating the outside of the skin, it's not going to hurt anything. Pour a little bit on here and just mix it up. Put a little on there, just rub it off. I already pre-washed these squash to get the excess dirt off, because you don't want all that too much dirt hanging on it, so it comes off easier. And just a little bit like that there. Just a little swish off to get the excess off. And I'll let them dry off in the wheelbarrow over here before I put them into cold storage. I think squash does best. Hold on a second, add more. Oh, sure. Water here. There we go. Yeah, squash does well storing in a cool, dry area. And I put in some bins over there, crates, and that's all we got to do. It's that simple. And then I'll just let them dry, like I say, dry off a little bit in the wheelbarrow there before I put them in the crates, and then they'll go down the basement for winter storage. So just a real quick video. Like I say, put a little bleach on there, rub it around. Hopefully you can see that properly. I apologize if you can't. And swish them around a little bit. I'm not even concerned about rinsing it. It'll just dry off, and the excess will just dry away. You see, you're not gonna eat it. You're not eating the skin, and it'll just kill the bacteria. And it really does work. I'm able to keep most of my squash and acorn squash and butternut squash pretty much right through February. And with the butternut squash, if I start seeing this starting to go, I'll go ahead and cut up a bunch and then just make it and freeze it. Freezes very well. Acorn squash, just make sure I eat enough so I don't waste any. So I wanted to share that with you tonight, and appreciate it. Check out some of my other videos there about the squash harvest this year. It did quite well, and hope you have a good evening. Thank you for viewing, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you happen to be new. I want to show you our storage facility. How simple this is. It's just a corner of the basement, and got my potatoes over here. I actually I like marking by what they are: reds, Yukon Gold, Kennebuck, Kennebuck, yep. And then russets over here. Got the squash, onions. Here's the garlic and shallots over there. Sweet potatoes. I just take a look at the temperature here, just to give an idea. Humidity is sitting down around 60 degrees. Humidity is around 65. A little more humid I'd like to have, but as this winter comes, it'll drop back down. But once again, it's a cool temperature. As it gets colder out, it'll drop down to the 50s down here. And I've done this for years. Very simple. It's a corner of a basement. You do a corner of a garage for your storage. I've actually had times when I didn't have the room in my basement. I actually dug a pit in the ground. put some Tupperware containers, threw the stuff in there, threw straw around it. It worked out beautiful. Kept things nice and cool all winter long. But, this works out fine for these type of products. So I'll give you a quick little idea of what we do for storage here, and just how simple we try to keep it. And we'll be back with you more. Have a great night. Thank you for watching.